Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the phone into performance mode. Close background apps and disable battery savers. Once done, connect to a low-latency network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a solid LTE/5G link so packets travel quickly. Make sure Discord is the active app, join the voice channel, then tap Share Screen. You're doing this to reduce CPU contention and network jitter, which are the two main causes of mobile screen share lag. So start streaming only after confirming a stable connection. Now you optimize the stream itself. Lower the resolution to 720p or 480p and cap the frame rate at 15 to 30 FPS to reduce encoding load and network usage. Then, turn off Discord overlays, system animations, and background sync for other apps because they interrupt encoding cycles. Also check app permissions, allow microphone but restrict unnecessary background data. These steps reduce CPU and network strain, so frames arrive consistently, which is why lowering quality often fixes lag instantly. Finish by testing the stream for a full minute. If you still see stutter, restart Discord or reboot the phone to clear transient issues. Once restarted, test with a friend or a second device to confirm whether the problem is local or network side. If lag continues, switch networks or use a phone hotspot to verify Wi-Fi interference. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, recording locally while streaming proves whether encoding or network is the bottleneck. So try that to pinpoint the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.